Very good day, everyone. So everyone is trading right now in 2024 because they want some extra money. But trading behavior is changing every month, every year, every day. It's changing drastically because the global economy and then global level is changing because a lot of things happening. Recently, the Russia annex of Ukraine and then Japanese market collapse and then Bangladesh event and then Israel-Palestine war and then how US is making some other changes and then US making rate cuts. Everything is changing the market. And then for the traders who are using technical analysis only, they might find some difficulties in trading because the market behavior is changing. Usually what we do, mark the support and resistance, mark the supply and demand zone, and then whenever hit the support we buy, whenever hit the resistance we sell. But it is changing now. It will giving a lot of fake outs or fake breakouts. Even though there's a breakout, there is no any confirmations. Okay, you guys can see this example. Okay, this is GBP JPY I marked just now. Okay, I marked the support around here. Usually what a normal technical trader will be doing, around this zone. So this zone is around 16 pips, they'll be buying around here. But you guys can see it is went down below here. So how we can reduce the risk there? Let's say if you buy around here and then your SL will be around this zone. Okay, here. Why? Okay, your SL you'll be setting around here. So what happened? It hit your SL. So this is what we call as SL hunter or liquidity hunter. Okay, you guys have to understand what is liquidity. Liquidity is the common or every day it is happening in the market. Liquidity means the money, the flow of the money in the market. Wherever there's a money, that's where the chart will go. How to know where is the liquidity? Okay, let me show you something. Okay, have you guys ever seen this? These bubbles, these heat maps, everything. This we call as bookmap. So bookmap is a platform where you guys can see all the liquidity, but it is very difficult to learn. You guys can see all these things, right? Do you guys understand? It is very confusing. You guys can learn, but it is very hard and then it is very expensive to do. And then you guys can see for the free you get only the crypto, but for the highest pay one you get the futures, stocks, crypto, everything, and then the payment is around $99 per month or $19.90, which is very expensive for a retail trader. Usually we retail traders will be using most of the technicals. We won't be following the institutional orders or the retail or the bank orders, LP orders. We have to know where the banks and institutions are trying to go. We have to understand what are the big sharks trying to do. Big sharks, who are the big sharks? They are whales, big sharks, shrimps, crabs, everything. We who depositing 100 to 100,000, we can say we still are shrimp trader in this market. If you invested $100,000, it's not going to change anything in the market. It won't be moving one pip also because there are big sharks or big whales investing millions or billions of dollars in the market. So what you have to do? You have to make the trend as your friend. So how do you make the trend as your friend? You have to follow the big sharks and big whales. Whales, they have no problem with us. They just will be investing into the market. They will be just collecting their profit. But big sharks are the dangerous one, you guys know. Sharks will be hunting for SLs, not their SLs, our SLs. So this is what is happening here, liquidity swap happening. So you'll be setting SL here, it hit your SL and then it is going up again. But your buy setup is valid, but it hit your SL. Why? Whale is or sharks are waiting around here. How to know the sharks are waiting around here? So just now I show you bookmap. So I'll be using MBE, multi-bank entry. Multi-bank entry is the simplified version of the bookmap and precise by AI. So now you can know why it is dropping because big sharks are waiting around this area to buy. The trend is up. You guys can see the trend is going up, but it will hit your SL and then it will go up. To reduce the risk here, I'll be using the bank order datas and then LP datas. These datas are very helpful to reduce my risk. I'll be using this data trade for past 2 months already. I reduced my mistakes almost 80 to 90%. 10% is still somehow even the AI cannot precise, right? If AI can predict 100%, then we'll be 100% millionaire every time we trade. But yeah, there are some faults here. But whenever you follow this data trade, I can reduce my risk here. So now I won't be buying anything. I'll be waiting until the price to enter the LP orders, because LP or the liquidity provider have big money, big liquidity there. So I just follow their trend. Whenever I follow their trend, I can make profit. I use this for gold as well. So this is the mapping I gave this morning for gold. The gold is downtrend because it formed a lower high here. But why it went up here? Because in H1 and then H4, in this area, banks are waiting to make some entry. Those retail traders will be trying to sell around here in this resistance 2500. But into 505, there is a bank order or pending order. These bubbles are representing the pending orders from the institutions, banks, LP, hedge fund managers, brokers and retails. These green bubbles are retail. The normal traders who have less access for the data, so they will be following technical analysis only. But these big sharks, they will be getting data from we and then other big traders as well. So they can analyze those data and then can precise their entries. So these bubbles is precised by the AI. They are saying some banks are waiting here, some banks are waiting here, some banks are even waiting up here. But we no need to focus all up there. We focus on the nearest one and then we can scalp or make an intraday trade here. For those daily traders, this is very helpful. If you guys are swing traders without any leverage, you guys might not need. But if you are a daily trader, you guys must need this. And then scalpers, even in M5, you guys can see. M5, okay, let's say I buy around here, it can go up around 39 pips in few minutes. You can see here right now, instant. It touched this bubble and then went up. How much? 6 pips only. But for scalpers, that sometimes is very big as well. But those scalpers don't have life. They'll be trading 24 hours in front of the screen. But for intraday traders, you guys can use the bigger time frame and then can set. You guys can see H1. This is the highest order for bank. There's no more orders above here. So I'll be confidently making a sell entry here and then I'll be targeting to exit around this price. This is the direction I'll be taking. So here I'm getting around 90 pips of profit. So this is easy, right, for you to make some entries. So if you want to learn some bank entry or trade using datas, you guys can click the link below, the first link there. Then see you guys on the other side. Simple, you guys. Don't forget to like, share and comment.